show you a few things that I used just around the garage and things like that. ZEP industrial degreaser. It's great for removing grit and grime and grease and whatnot. This head, I set it in a bucket, let it sit for a couple hours. Nylon brush, just kind of scrubbed it. You can see the chambers are clean, the runners are clean. Compared to this one that hadn't been touched, it's still just filthy. Highly recommend it. It comes in gallon, 5 gallons. I think you get it in a 2.5 gallon on the shelf, Home Depot. It's an industrial cleaner. I've used it on my Jeep a couple of times to clean the underside to get some of the grease and oil and just the stubborn stuff from the underside. Sprayed it on with a spray bottle and hosed it off. Worked great. Highly recommend it. ZEP from Home Depot. It's great stuff.